From heartbreaking moments to full of excitement, 2024 has been a wonderful year for anime lovers. But as the year comes to a close, let's take a look at top 10 upcoming animes in 2025. 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most electrifying years for anime fans. Get ready to blink, cry and lose sleep because the lineup is insane. From epic finales to long-awaited comebacks, the anime gods have blessed us. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a watch list that will blow your mind. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one spot. It's a game changer for the entire anime world. Let's dive in. At number 10, we have Fire Force Season 3 Part 1. Starting off our list is the highly anticipated Fire Force Season 3. Shinra's journey to uncover the truth behind human combustion is hotter than ever, literally. This season promises to take us deeper into the mysteries of the Evangelist and Adola burst with jaw-dropping battles and even more of that signature David production animation. Whether you are here for firefighting infernos or the explosive character growth, this one's a must-watch. It's scheduled to release in 2 parts with the first installment set for April 2025. At number 9, we have Dr. Stone Final Season. It's the end of an era. Dr. Stone Final Season is here and we are not ready to say goodbye. Senku and his Kingdom of Science have come so far from reviving humanity to battling the petrification beam. But now they are taking on their ultimate challenge, the true origin of the petrification itself. Expect heart-pounding discoveries, intense rivalries and a finale that will leave your brain buzzing. Science has never been this thrilling. It's scheduled to release in January 2025. At number 8, we have Solo Leveling Season 2. Solo Leveling fans rejoice, Season 2 is coming and Jinwoo Sang is back to slay. After the shocking cliffhanger of Season 1, this season promises to ramp up the stakes with even more powerful enemies, stunning visuals and emotional depth. Will Jinwoo finally uncover the secrets behind the system and can he protect the ones he loves from looming catastrophe? All I can say is get ready for some serious goosebumps. If you are a fan of action-packed anime, it's definitely for you. Make sure to give this a try. It's scheduled to release in January 2025. At number 7, we have Kaiju number 8 Season 2. Monsters, mayhem and a hero who is literally one of them. Kaiju number 8 is bursting onto the scenes as one of the most highly anticipated adaptations of 2025. Kafka's journey as a kaiju fighting hero with a monstrous secret is as thrilling as it is emotional. With a studio like Production IG at the helm, you can bet this series will be a visual masterpiece. If you are into action-packed storytelling with a heart, this is one to watch. It's expected to release in April 2025. At number 6, we have Jujutsu Kaisen Season 3. Jujutsu Kaisen is back and if you thought the Shibuya incident was intense, just wait for what's next. Season 3 will delve into Gojo's past arc and beyond, shedding light on the strongest sorcerer's origin and the dark secrets of the Jujutsu world. With Mappa's breathtaking animation and a plot that will leave you gasping for air, this season will be nothing short of spectacular. Are you ready for the chaos? It's expected to release by the mid of 2025. At number 5, we have One Punch Man Season 3. Who's ready for more Saitama? One Punch Man Season 3 is finally here and the Monster Association arc is about to blow your mind. Expect epic fights, outrageous humor and of course Saitama being, well, Saitama. But here's the kicker, this season might just reveal the most powerful version of Saitama we have ever seen. Can you even handle it? It was scheduled to release in 2024, however due to the production issues, it will release in 2025. I have made a separate video on this, you can watch it to know more. Moving into the list, at number 4 we have Demon Slayer. Grab your tissues because Demon Slayer's next movie is going to wreck us in the best way possible. Tanjiro and the gang are taking on another heart-wrenching mission and if the trailers are anything to go by, this might be the most visually stunning and emotionally charged installment yet. Will they triumph or will we leave the theaters sobbing? Probably both. With studios like Ufotable and Sony Production, you can expect a cinematic visual like we never seen before. It's expected to release in 2025. I have made a detailed video on this on my channel including its release date. So if you are interested, you can check it out. At number 3, we have My Hero Academia Season 8. The stakes have never been higher for Deku and Class 1A in My Hero Academia Season 8. As the final war arc unfolds, we will see heroes and villains clash in battles that will determine the fate of society. The question is, can Deku truly live up to All Might's legacy? This season promises high-octane action, emotional moments and character growth that will leave you cheering for more. If you are a die-hard fan of action and fighting scenes, this one is for you. It's scheduled to release in 2025, however, no official date has been announced as of yet, but I will inform you as soon as there's any. At number 2, we have ReZero Season 3. Subaru's nightmare is far from over in ReZero Season 3. With new enemies, shocking revelations and heartbreaking sacrifices, this season is poised to be one of the darkest and most thrilling yet. Can Subaru finally overcome the cycle of death and despair, or will the witch's curse consume him completely? Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions. If you're a fan of dark fantasy and isekai anime, must try this masterpiece. It's scheduled to release in February 2025. Finally, at number 1 we have One Piece. And here it is, our number 1 pick. The One Piece live action series smashed expectations, and now the anime is set to dominate 2025 with its final saga episodes. Luffy's quest to become Pirate King is nearing its climax, and the stakes have never been higher. With the world hanging in the balance, alliances forming and secrets unfolding, this could be the greatest anime event of all time. Are you ready to set sail for one last epic adventure? It's scheduled to release in April 2025 after a 6-month long hiatus in One Piece history. There you have it, the top 10 upcoming anime of 2025, from fiery finales to groundbreaking new adaptations. This year is going to be unforgettable for anime lovers. So what are you most excited for? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more anime updates. Let's make 2025 the year of endless anime adventures. Until next time, sayonara.